Hello friends, today we are going to understand the process of abortion. Although this topic can be a bit sensitive, let me tell you that this video is made for educational purpose under YouTube's ETSA guidelines. Abortion is a medical process that terminates a pregnancy. Depending on the stage of pregnancy and the individual's health, there are three types of abortion: early stage medical abortion, vacuum aspiration procedure, and dilation and evacuation. Early stage abortion is the simplest process, but it is only effective when the pregnancy is less than 10 weeks. In this process, two types of medicine are taken: mifeprostone and misoprostol. The first medicine, mifeprostone, is taken at the clinic. It blocks the hormone progesterone, which is necessary to maintain pregnancy. The second medicine, misoprostol, is usually taken at home 24 to 48 hours later. Misoprostol contracts the uterus and expels the pregnancy tissues. However, if the pregnancy is between 10 to 14 weeks, the vacuum aspiration process is required. In this method, a suction device is used to remove the pregnancy tissues from the uterus. Before the procedure, anesthesia is given to numb the cervix. The cervix is then gradually dilated using a speculum. A thin flexible tube is inserted into the uterus through the cervix. The suction device attached to the tube gently removes the pregnancy tissue from the uterus. If a woman needs an abortion after 14 weeks, the dilation and evacuation method is used. In this process, the woman is given anesthesia. The cervix is then dilated. Once the cervix sufficiently dilated, surgical instruments like forceps and curette are used to carefully remove the pregnancy tissue from the uterus. Suction may also be used to remove any remaining tissue. All three procedures are safe, but having a qualified doctor is very important. To avoid any problems after the abortion, it is important to follow the doctor's instructions. So friends, how did you like today's video? Please let me in the comment. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel.